Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Braxton Kersting here with MLC CAD Systems, and today we're going to be reviewing what's new in drawings for SOLIDWORKS 2025. Now in 2025, we have the ability to use the reload command on our drawings, which is going to outline whether or not there's any potential loss of changes. In my case, I moved some views around, I deleted a view, and so when I click OK, it's going to revert back to the last saved version on the disk, allowing me to return back to the state it was when I first opened the model. The next enhancement has to do with bills of material. In a previous release, they added the ability to include detailed Cutlists items. So for your assemblies that have welded components on it, this was great in order to be able to use the bill of material. Now in 2025, we've extended that capability by adding the option to change the quantity to use the quantity specified in the Cutlists properties. In this case, length, to give me the overall length of each item. Of course, keeping our drawings up to date is the utmost importance. In 2025, the surface finish command has been updated to now include the ISO 21920 standard symbols. And I'll go ahead and use one of my save styles to make this a little bit easier to attach. Ultimately, once your drawing's ready or finished, you may need to export it out to DWG or DXF. And in 2025, we have a new option in the export to DWG and DXF to take our drawing views and force them into blocks. And so you'll find that in the system options under the export options for DWG and DXF. Just a simple checkbox. And with that checked on, the exported drawing, each view you're going to see is already a block. We don't have to make those blocks in post. And so that saves a little bit of time for anyone interacting with those 2D drawings. And that's what's new for drawings in SOLIDWORKS 2025. Thank you all for checking this out. If you're interested in more what's new or tutorial content, please be sure to check out our channel.